Yeah, so my name is Nicole Moe. We are a raw milk dairy and fiber farm in Calhan, Colorado. And so we grew really fast. Within about 6 months, we were up to 6 cows, over 50 herd shares. We had 50 people texting us that, they wanted add-ons and sign-ups, and it was just a lot to manage. And so we were using Excel, of course, we shared between the two of us, and it still was, it was very hard. It was very hard, but in order to grow, we knew we needed to make a change, which is why we decided on Farmhand. I thought the onboarding process and everything was really, really smooth. You guys were very experienced. You had answers to every single question, and I thought it was very seamless. It was extremely easy to do. Help with customers and that communication directly with them is a huge blessing and a huge relief. And I would just highly recommend to do it sooner rather than later. So do it when you have a smaller amount of herd shares. That way you can grow and you're not as frustrated in that growth, right? So I definitely recommend doing it sooner rather than later.